In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to leave Snapchat group without notifications. The first and easiest method is to block Snapchat group members. Begin by opening Snapchat and go to the profile of each group member. Tap the three dots icon and select Manage Friendship, and then tap on Block. Confirm the action by tapping Block again. Repeat this process for all group members. 2. Airplane mode. Just when you decide to leave the group, scroll down your screen, activate airplane mode, and then go back to the group, leave it, and then turn on the airplane mode. Next, once all members are blocked, long press on the group chat in the chat section, and tap More and then select Leave Group. Confirm the action by tapping Leave. Leave the group during active interactions. Open Snapchat and wait for the group to become active with messages. Long press on the group chat in the chat section and select Leave Group, and then confirm action by tapping on Leave. The last method is changing your username. Open Snapchat and tap on your Bitmoji. Tap the gear icon and tap on Username. Tap Change Username followed by Continue. Enter a different username, save it, go back to the group and leave, and now they won't that you are the one who left the group. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.